Today we will show you how to remove and replace the control board on this GE French door refrigerator.
Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time.
Some symptoms that you might need to replace the control board would be that the refrigerator is not cooling, or you may have multiple component failures. First, we must access the rear of the unit.
Stop. Be sure to always disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage.
To remove your control board, first start by removing the screws that hold the panel on. Then you can start unplugging all of your Molex connectors. Then with a little flat screwdriver, there are little plastic retainers that hold the board on. Depress the little tab and it'll slide right off. And with that, you can set the board off to the side. To install your new control board, slide the board into place and then onto the locking tabs. Install all of your Molex connectors. Grab your cover. There's a ground screw that you're going to want to get under that screw. And that completes the repair. Thanks for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel.